Here we come to the parking garage elevator at the Mall of Columbia. I'm going on my own. In Columbia, Maryland. It's a Schindler. Gotta love Schindler's. Here's my iPad. I'll be safe on my own. What? Here it is. Gotta love MT.
Are you going to use this at all in here?
For a backup camera.
I can use my phone as a backup camera. I'm going to put this in the car.
Okay. See ya. Go up to 4, 3.
Level 1, going up.
Nice voice, got innovated. Nice motor. We're stopping. Going up?
Yes.
Which floor are you going to? 3?
Yeah, the next one.
If you're wondering.
Level 2, going up.
Elevator. I'm an elevator enthusiast.
Are you?
I film elevators as a hobby.
Okay. So what are you gonna do with that information?
I post on my YouTube channel.
Oh, okay.
4's locked off.
Okay.
Go down to 1.
Enjoy.
There, you too. Up there is the roof.
Going up.
Here we go. Anchor's messed up. Just your basic mall parking garage elevator. Innovation Bruiser. This is awesome. ADA compliant phone. Those lanterns are vandalized. Mall Columbia, you need to fix your indicator. I love this elevator. Watch the button close up. Door.
Parking lot changing.
There it goes. And that's it.